Hey everyone, this is Eizy from Eizy Customizer and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna take a look at this new Megami device B1 type Jaeger Edelweiss by Kotobukiya. This is actually one of the characters from a very popular game in Japan. If you guys ever play that, it is called the Busou Shinki. Back in the day they have plastic figure, and now they are collaborating with the Kotobukiya Megami device and producing this nice looking plastic model kit that you guys need to assemble. Before we move on with the accessories and the extra parts that comes with this kit, well, this is the front view, we have the side view and the back view. She comes with this 4 swords here, very nice one, and the swords attached to this movable hinges as a backpack. This one can hold all type of weapons that you desire because there's extra packs here too available. Edelweiss is actually a soldier. Well, she's wearing the soldier outfit, can guess from the boot designs here. Other than that, well, she has a gold tiara at the top here. So basically this one is an elf because of the ears. This design is so nice though. And her hair, well, she has the twin tail at the back. Size comparison with high grade Gunpla, Nendoroid Megumin from Good Smile Company, Frame Arms Girl Innocentia from Kotobukiya, Variable Fighter Girl Messiah by Aoshima. She also comes with this rifle as the main weapon, and this thing is pretty long. Articulation, this thing can move, and you guys can see the barrel and this thing here. Well, this piece here can move like that, and same goes with the other one. And we have the scope, a very old school looking scope handle, and this piece can take off like that. For the other accessories, she comes with extra legs here. Well, the movement for this leg, it can bend like that, and this thing can rotate like so, and the feet can move like that, go forward like that, the toe bend like that, and can do pivot. She has 3 different face expression. The first one is the normal smiley face. Second one is the angry looking face. The third one is a normal one looking to the right. An extra chest piece. And these 2 pieces here for the hand. Water slide decal. She comes with plenty of hand parts. We have the white and also the brown color of hands. White pointy hand, white grabby hand, another white grabby hand, white open hand, white pointy hand, white fist, another set of white open hand. For the brown hand set, we have the grabby hand, we have the brown pointy hand, we have the brown color open hand, another open hand, we have the grabby hand, we have fist, and also pointy hand. 3 pieces brown join for the hand, 3 pieces white join for the hand. This Megami device has 2 different set of hands here. The difference is with this one here, we have the articulated joint like this. You can move like that and like so. But this piece here, but only for the grabby hand and also the pointy hand set. This thing is actually one piece of plastic, so there's no movable joint here. This is one piece of plastic. An extra tiara for the front hair piece, and action base. For the extra parts, we have couple of the T-joint here, plenty of extra joint here. We have 4 different neck joint for the Fremant's girl size, the head size, and also the Megami device. Get packs like this one here, and also this tube here, and this piece, and also this piece too. Well, these are actually the same to make the backpack or the hinges for the Edelweiss. Extra joint for the leg in case you break some, extra kneecaps, an extra small piece. There's a Megami device logo on it. An extra piece of this internal joint here without the polycap. Moving on to the articulation, well, her head is using the same ball joint like the other Megami device, so you can move the head up about that far, go down about that far, side to side, and you can make one full rotation. And the neck joint here can move forward about that far, I mean downward about that far, backward about that far. So the twin tail here, this one is using small joint, ball joint, and it's a movable, so you can make one full rotation like that, going up a bit, going down also not much, and this piece can move like that, move like so. Like the other Megami device, her shoulder can move like that and like so, and it is using the same ball joint like the other Megami device, so this one can make one full rotation like that, and can go up about that far, forward and backward like usual. Can do as a swivel here. Also this black part here can rotate, and this thing can do a bit of movement. And since I'm using this one piece here, so unless you use the other joint like this one here, you can move, or the hand can move up and down. And move on to the main body part here. Well, there's no movement on her chest here, and this upper part can bend about that far, backward about that far. There you go. This is using the same ball joint, so side to side like that, and like so. And moving on to the lower part here, can bend about that far. Yes. Alright, can do like this, and can do like that. For the legs, she can move forward about that far, backward about that far. Well, this piece here is actually using the T-joint like this one here, so you can easily pull that one like that, and revealing this gap here, so she can do kick like that, see, and then not much at the back, just forward like that, and then can make swivel here, and this piece can move. Same goes this white piece, and this brown piece here. This is using a pack like this one, and then can bend that far. And additional movement for this design, well, her boots here can make side to side like that. This is actually a pack inside this hole here. So for this design is pretty much new since the bullet knights, and this can move forward like that, backward like that, and this piece here can move like that, and like so, and then like that, like so. You can do a pivot. Moving on to the backpack, well, there's a 4 swords attached to this one here, so just simply take that one off. We have 2 swords like this one here, a bit short compared to this one, is much longer, and with this unique looking handle here. You can see the piece here, and it comes with these holes. Like this one here, the 3mm hole, and we have the handle here, and also this part here also has one hole the same size, 3mm, so you can use to attach it on any way you like. Back to the backpack here. Well, the articulation, you can move like that and like so. You can move there's a one full rotation here, and also this part here can move up and down like that, and also can rotate like that, and also can like one rotation here too, and also this part can move up about that far, and then move down about that far, and same goes with this side here. Well, other than that, there's a lot of packs available, so you can attach anything you like the weapons, armors, anything. So there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs, and also 6 here, and there's 7 here, but this one is for to attach to your Megami device. And also we have this hole here, the 3mm hole. This one is for the action base, and also there's a tiny Megami device logo here, and you will also get this part here, an extra too, so you can use it any way you like. To change her into her normal outfit, well, first thing first, pull out this part, and then you need to remove this. There we go. We changed from this ball joint, this small ball joint, with this normal black round piece. So this need to move, and then remove the hands, and also this brown piece here. I need this. Use this black parts for the hand. Well, it's supposed to go in like that. The same goes with the other one here. Supposed to go in like that, and then attach back the white hand here like so. Next, we need to change this hat, the front hat here, with this. Simply remove this front piece like that. Okay. And then we're gonna put back this another normal front piece, and there we go. We have the normal hairstyle. For the chest piece here, we have this alternate. For the normal outfit, just simply take this one off like that, and then replace that one with this one here. So these are the different between the showing more skin here and showing still more skin here. For the leg, simply remove these two, and then replace them with this blacks here, 1 and then 2. There we go. So here we have the normal outfit for the Edelweiss. So this is the front view, and the side view, the back view. The rifle here is a very old school design, so this one is actually a handle. You can put the hand here, grab it like that, and you can move side to side like that. And also you can put the hand in this handle too, or you can put this holding it like that. For the sword here, just simply grab the grabby hand and then attach the hand like this. Overall, this Megami device Edelweiss is an amazing looking kit. Well, you will get everything that you want. The first thing first, the articulation. Well, same like the previous Megami device, you get a better articulation for this one compared to the frame arms girl. The additional movement for the legs here. The second thing is the design. Well, if you guys are a fan of Busou Shinki game, if you guys have played the game, this is a character from the game, and this is a model kit. This is an elf, and also she comes with this gold tiara, which is making her looks like a princess. You get these weapons and these swords, the backpack, movable arm for the backpack, and also a soldier outfit. You get plenty of everything that you want. I know the price is pretty expensive compared to the other Megami device. Well, despite this one is based on the Busou Shinki, a collaboration. So that's all my review for this time around. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give a comment down below, give a like if you guys really like my review. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. You guys can follow up my Facebook page as well, Eizy Customizer. All the links are in description down below. I see you guys next time in the next video. So that's all from me this time, and goodbye.